Hi everyone, myself Chinmaisiri from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today's subject is maths and the topic is network analysis in algebra. Network analysis. Content: Introduction, construction of network, critical path method. Introduction. Network analysis is a synthesis of two most useful technique of project management, that is PERT and CPM. PERT was developed as a management tool for coordination and easily completion polar buildings misleaf project in USA, resulting in reduction of 30% time in project execution. In compulsory of PERT is CPM and was developed in connection with maintenance and construction work. Both techniques use pre and PERT and CPM use network and critical path as a basic tool of project management, and both are very helpful in completing a project on schedule by coordinating different jobs involved in this competition. Network. What is network? Network, a graphical representation or an arrow diagram presented to the management in respect of project, which consists of all detail regarding conception of time and cost, not only for each activity but also for whole project, so that management can manipulate the resource and cost can be controlled in a more efficient manner. Steps involved in process of analysis. Network analysis: identify the job, events or activities, arrange the job in logical sequence. Objectives of network analysis. Network analysis is a successful technique frequently used to plan, monitor and control the project involving thousands of activities, to minimize project cost, to minimize the project's time, to ensure optimize at utilization of human and other sources, to ensure minimum confliction and unnecessary details. Basic key concept in network analysis. Activity. An activity refers to the physically identifiable part of project which consumes time and cost. An activity is represented by an arrow. The activity may have a predictor activity and successor activity. This is an example. How to represent an activity. Activity should be represented by an arrow connecting two nodes like this. All activities should be in forward direction. It may be upward or downward direction, but it can never be in reverse direction. Activities should be either represented by number of alphabets. All alphabets and nodes should be in ascending order. So this is the correct one of the network, and this is a wrong one, network incorrect. What is an event? An event represents the start and the end point of the activity. It is normally represented by circle called nodes. This is an example of the events. Importance points. The network consists of different activities which maintain producing and succeeding relation. Network is not a time scale diagram. Length of arrow does not include duration of time. Critical path method (CPM). Critical path analysis is a special application of network analysis. It uses network analysis for scheduling production construction project as well as research and development activities. Besides this, it is used in certain other situations that require estimate of time and performance. Critical path. The critical path is the overall time it will take to complete the project. It is the longest path in time through the network. In figure, the circular critical path, that is a longest path indicated by thick arrow and requires 40 weeks to complete. This is called the critical path since any delay in completing the activity along with the path is sure to delay the completion of the project. This is a image of completing in 140 weeks. Dummy activity. An activity which doesn't consume any time and productivity, time and cost. It should be represented by dotting line but not any alphabet. It should be introduced to maintain precede and succeed relation. This is an example of dummy activity. This is a correct one. This is a correct one and this is a incorrect one. So example of the dummy activity. Why critical path is important to the management? Because any delay along this path will postpone the final completion date of the project. Spots potential bottleneck earlier. Avoid unnecessary pressure on other paths that will not result in an eagerly final completion date. Advantages of network technology. Its management is planning, scheduling and controlling the activities of project. Helps in accessing time schedule. Helps in guiding and directing team effort more efficiently. Encouraging discipline. Aids in handling unnecessary regarding time schedule, coordination of various activities and controlling cost involved. Thank you.